Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, dear ladies and gentlemen, are we going to see a crazy Bitcoin dump, a huge trap before the next big Bitcoin and crypto pump? Let's talk about that. I want to show you something in the charts which I am paying a very close attention to right now. I will talk about my trades right now, raking in 24 million US dollars in a profit on Bybit over on Levex. Let me show you right here. We have the Solana trade, $220,000 in a profit, XRP 350 plus 300 taken, but Bitcoin itself, I think 19-20 million US dollars in a profit. Pretty crazy. The question is, how high can we go? Where will it take my next profits? I already took profits on one specific trade, and yes, I will tell you where. And I also want to talk about my next trade on Bitcoin and altcoins as well. Let's talk about that. Let's go straight into the content, guys. It's crazy. We hit almost 100,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. Now the question is, did we sucker in just the last money here? Well, the volume really says no. We came so close to the 100,000 and there's just not that much volume. I really expected more people to FOMO here. Maybe that is actually a good sign for Bitcoin. The question is, when are we finally going to hit it? Bitcoin was scratching really on the surface of 100,000 and it didn't quite happen yet. Now, of course, the question is, when will it happen? Well, I could imagine, and this is no TA yet, but I could imagine that we are seeing one last shakeout before we are breaking 100,000, maybe even not coming back within that bull market. And what you can see here is this very important resistance level of 93,000 US dollars, where we found the first time resistance after really breaking the previous all-time high, might turn into new support. I'm just saying, I'm not saying necessarily we are going to break down, but if we are breaking down, I certainly want to look out for the 93,000 US dollar price level, which could be the next potential new support area for Bitcoin if we would break out. But do remember what I said earlier. Sometimes the biggest losses are created in terms of opportunity cost. People standing on the sidelines waiting for this last retracement. I'm telling you, though, if we do retrace, 93,000 US dollars, most likely it is. And yes, I am keeping these trades open here. 24 million US dollars in total profits already on Bybit. And of course, on Levex, I am trading more short-term trades. I'm trading altcoins. I just took profits on XRP. You can see total 133,000 US dollars taken in profits. And of course, I want to open my next trade here as well. I am posting in live and absolute real time for my Levex community, completely for free, 13,000 people already, my next trade actually on my next altcoin as well. All you have to do is to follow me there. Before I talk about the next trades and everything, just make sure you go down to the pinned comment, you click this link, you follow me on Levex completely for free, and you will see all my live trades, all my live posts as well in the pinned comment down below. And yes, I just wanted to remind you, we are in extreme greed territory. So if we would get just a small rejection, who cares? We don't need 100,000 today, right? And you can also see Bitcoin ETF volume still increasing. We have actually a slight decrease in the Ethereum ETF, but overall we see increasing interest. We still see increasing volume actually on a day-by-day basis. So overall, the market is extremely bullish. I'm just saying at one point there need to be a retracement. $93,000 would be a potential one before eventually turning higher, where my price targets, I already mentioned it earlier, 102,000, 106,000, and eventually 130,000, the price target of this cup and handle breakout, which I think is a realistic price target for the next few weeks to come. Now the question is, what is my next trade on altcoins? Well, I already said it before here. It is most likely going to be on Sui and on Aptos, my next trade. And I do want to post this in absolute real time for my community on Levex. I will, of course, also post it here on YouTube, but I have to produce the videos. I have to be home or in a studio. I just can't do it in real time. If you want to see it in the absolute moment I am doing it, you can see it live popping up over on Levex, link down below, and you can also get up to $5,000 in a one-to-one long short position for free dropped onto your account for your initial deposit as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button to a new all-time high. I truly appreciate every single one of you, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, bye.